If you've been waiting for Insta360 to release the update for the Color Plus for the Insta360 Go and the Insta360 One X, it's here. Watch me put the Go through its paces and compare the footage for yourself to see if it works. And then watch me comment on the video comparisons to give you my verdict on whether this update was worth waiting for or not. Hi, I'm Saab Johal and welcome to my channel, which is all about mobile and 360 video and photography and how to edit for great results. Be sure to subscribe and make sure you don't miss out on any more of my videos, and don't forget to like this video too. So, Color Plus is the new algorithm included in the app for the Insta360 Go and the One X. The Go was updated overnight. That's designed to enhance your colors when you export from your app. Now, you could go through the deeper settings to alter how your footage looks, but this Color Plus innovation is a simple toggle switch, and its power is adjustments through an artificial intelligence algorithm, so you can have it on or off. So I thought it would be good to do a straight comparison to see what kind of an effect it has. Okay, this is how it's going to work. I'm going to play you some footage from various different conditions: low light, outdoors, indoors, cloudy skies, blue skies, hyperlapses, and regular footage, so you can see how the Color Plus algorithm performs in these different conditions with the Insta360 Go. When you're looking at these pieces of footage side by side, I'm not going to tell you which one has Color Plus switched on and which one doesn't. You're going to have to pay attention to see what you think. Then I'll go through parts of the footage again and tell you what I noticed and tell you which one had Color Plus switched on. And hey, I'd love to see your comments and thoughts about what you think about this new addition to the Insta360 Go app and workflow. Okay, I'm ready. I think you're ready. So let's go. What did you think? Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts below. Here's what I think. Let's go through parts of that footage again, one by one. So for this first section, the Color Plus version is on the left. It's brighter without overexposing, which is good for sure, but possibly it's a little noisy. What do you think? For this section shot in the fog room at the Tate Modern in London, there isn't much difference until right at the end when you can pick out the people more clearly, and the Colour Plus version is on the left again. In this hyperlapse in the underground subway path at South Kensington Underground Station in London, the Colour Plus version is on the left again. Notice how it's brighter and more vibrant in the underground section and continues to be brighter, and the colours are punchier too. Okay. Now we're at St James's Park near Buckingham Palace in London, and Colour Plus is on the left again. You can see again the colours are a bit punchier, it's brighter, and it's a more pleasing image to the eye, I think. Now in this low light shot in the Natural History Museum, the Colour Plus version is on the right. Look how much lighter the surrounds are in the background, but in this case I wanted the surrounds to be darker, and I think the image is a little noisier too, so I actually prefer the Colour Plus switched off. Now for this shot taken in the London Underground, the Colour Plus version is on the right, and I much prefer the punchier colours and brighter image here on the right too. What do you think? Make sure you drop me a comment below to tell me which version you prefer for each of these shots, and maybe tell me why too. Now this shot of me walking down the street with a cloudy background is a bit problematic. Though looking a bit unshaven and scruffy, the algorithm does a good job of brightening me up and sharpening the image for a punchier look in the Colour Plus version on the right. But although there is a problem with Jello Sky in both versions, I think it's a lot worse in the Colour Plus output. And in this final footage from Legoland in Windsor, the Colour Plus version is on the right. I think this looks much better. The boat thing that we're on looks brighter and more colourful, and I think the background stands out more too. So, what's my verdict? Now, all this is really a matter of taste, but I think Insta360 have done a great job in providing an additional quick and easy output option for the Insta360 Go. And that's what the Go is all about, isn't it? Quick and easy, great stabilized footage. And sure, there are times and conditions where you might want to opt for the non-Colour Plus version, but it's good to have options. What did you think? Have you got a Go, and are you pleased about this development? Or are you considering buying one and this is going to tip you over the edge into actually buying one? Or are you thinking that this really isn't for you? Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have found it useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing. I'd love to see you back here again soon. Here's some of my other videos that you might find interesting or useful. Please take a look around. There's plenty to see. And thanks for watching. Cheers and go well.